Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important topic in psychology, physical development. Physical development refers to the growth and changes in a person's body size, shape and motor abilities. Different stages of physical development. Physical development proceeds through several stages from infancy to adulthood. These stages are: first one is infancy, birth to 2 years. During this age, infants rapidly grow in size and develop basic motor skills such as crawling, sitting, and walking. Second one is early childhood, 2 to 6 years. Children in this stage continue to develop their motor skills and begin to develop more complex physical abilities such as jumping and riding a bike. Third one is middle childhood, 6 to 11 years. Children in this stage experience a growth spurt which leads to a significant increase in height and weight. They also continue to develop their motor skills and engage in more physical activities. Fourth one is adolescence, 11 to 18 years. During this stage, adolescents experience significant physical changes related to puberty, including growth, spurts, and the onset of sexual maturity. They also develop advanced physical abilities such as flying, sports, and engaging in physically demanding activities. Fifth one is adulthood, 18 years and older. Adulthood continue to experience physical changes such as the gradual decline in muscles mass and bone density. However, with proper exercise and nutrition, they can maintain and even improve their physical abilities.